So YouTube is full of videos of how to replace boards on wooden floored trailers. And this was so easy to do. I'm going to take it apart and show you the right way to do it. I've seen videos of cutting the ends off and re-welding them. I've seen videos of using jacks and videos of using them, putting them diagonally and sliding them in diagonally. And this is the easiest possible way to do it. Stay tuned. Okay, you ready? This is really complicated. It takes a lot of money. Watch this. First, you got to cut the board to the right length. Might have to take off ½ an inch, but here we go. Ready? Up high. Up high. Fingers out. Boom. Now you get you some fasteners and tie that thing down, and that's all it takes. So I got some of these bad boys. Self-drilling metal screws. And they come with the correct Torx bit. Now, I have pre-drilled the wood. I don't know if that's necessary, but I did. So now it's time to set these screws. So we're going to chamfer this so these will sit flush. Just a little bit of pressure. Just enough to get us a little sinker there.